Back in the day, we used to go through the race, and often the outskirts of cities. The latest trend is that we play from racing, sport races, and that's what we're doing here right now. Almost of media has turned up, I can only mean one thing. Udayanithi Stalin is on the grid, and what a moment these things like. Udayanithi Stalin with the cars, with the promoters of the race, special stuff.
Yeah, okay.
It is indeed. We just can't emphasize just how important the day this is, not just for Indian motorsport, but also for the Tamil Nadu government as well. Have an event of this caliber, a world-class level event with international talent competing in India in World Spec Championship class. This is quite something.
Let's remind everyone that Tamil Nadu has been a pioneer in Indian motorsport. Both Indian Formula One riders have come from Tamil Nadu. And Tamil Nadu, over the years, has produced motorsport for the country, has been at the start of the automobile sector in many ways. And there he is, Shri Udayanithi Stalin on the grid. There's a lot of fanfare around this moment because he has really done so much for the sport, for this occasion as well. And a lovely moment there, Armani Ibrahim alongside him as he heads across the class. Udayanithi Stalin, someone who is at sport beyond him. Because they're taking the sport and it's otherwise seen as a within touching distance. They don't get to actually get a feel of machinery of this caliber. So to see the sport, motorsport, Formula 4 cars coming through the streets of Chennai is so special, and he's getting a good look at it as well for their next talent.
And we're not a million miles away from the city centre. We've got a couple of train stations nearby. We're right next to Marina Beach at the Arlington Grounds. This is in the middle of the city. And this is amazing. The flag of Pakistan for the Stalin is just about to come in. I was thinking, what is it going to be like when all the kids sitting there realizing, I'm a part of this historic moment, not just for Indian racing, but also for the Tamil Nadu government and the sports industry in this state. This is special. I think 10, 15, 20 years down the line, we're going It's such a momentous occasion. Chennai being open the roads for anywhere they can try from the inside. Actually, it's perfect because when people goes to India, the first city to Chennai, and the fact that we're coming back here, not just at the Madras International Circuit for the first time, but in the middle of the city, 8,000 to 10,000 people expected here tomorrow. This is a big occasion. It's a very big occasion, and to some extent, it's very emotional. Someone who's grown up watching motorsport, but seeing it happening within our own country and on the streets of Chennai, and I